Brother Pig. Come to my place for a good meal tonight.
Great, I'll head over right away. Don't save all the good food without me.
Once this pit's ready, you'll walk right into it. Brother Pig, why were you so careless? Rest in peace on your journey. Time to end the pretense and do the real work. This aroma will definitely lure the next target. Brother Lion, come quickly to taste my grilled pork chops. You'll regret missing them.
Daring to invite me. You really know what's good.
Brother Lion, eat more. If it's not enough, I'll grill more. Done! 2 birds with 1 stone perfect. A lion fur coat? This winter will be warm. With this coat of power, who dares to mess with me?